Poplar plywood has always been a great solution for a wide range of uses. Because it is made up of thin layers of wood that are bound together at right angles, it is incredibly stable, light, easily workable and eco-friendly. The problem is that if you want to use it outdoors or in a damp environment, water, insects and mold can make it swell, rot and delaminate. But what if there was a plywood panel specifically designed for outdoor use with a certified 15-year warranty? This is Duraply by Garnica, an exceptional all-weather sustainable plywood product that does not rot, delaminate or swell, even after cutting and sanding, thanks to an innovative treatment applied to the whole panel. This means that with Duraply products, your garden furniture and structures, outdoor construction or boat interior will keep its great look, shape and strength for at least 15 years. And coming from Garnica, it's going to have the quality, lightness and usability you would expect from the European leader in poplar plywood. Check out Duraply and the rest of the Garnica range at garnica.one.